In this video, I'll show you how to load ink cartridges inside of your HP DeskJet 3755 or any other HP printers that have the same shape. So first step, plug your printer, turn it on. Then we're going to open this part over here, the small panel, simply by pushing down the door. Wait a few seconds and then the ink cartridges will be presented to you. If it's the first time you're setting up this printer, obviously there won't be any installed, but I will still show you how to remove them in case you have to do so. So take your finger, place it above the ink cartridge like this and push down until it unclicks. And you see, just by doing this, the ink cartridge slides out by itself. Let me do the same thing for this one. So you see, just by sticking my finger there and pushing down, it goes out. Now, when it's time to put new ones, it's very important that you understand that the color one, the one with the magenta top, goes on the left side and the one that has the black ink goes on the right side. Do not mix these up. Then you're going to take your ink cartridge. Let's start with the black one. Hold it this way. So you need to have the contacts facing first. You're going to glide it inside and then take your thumb, place it there and push. Okay, let me try again. Okay, great. You see, it needs to click. If it didn't click, it means it's not installed properly. I'll take the color one with the magenta top. Same thing, I simply glide it in and then with my thumb, I pushing it. Once both are installed, you're going to close this door, wait about 30 seconds, and then you're going to be able to send your files to get printed. If you want to support my channel, I highly encourage you to check the Amazon affiliate links in the description down below to get your ink cartridges for your printer or maybe some paper or other accessories. Check the links there. If not, simply leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.